Welcome to this video on how to use the Rakuten affiliate marketing platform. In this video, we're going to cover reporting and data. To find out more about the affiliate marketing advisor, you can pause the video here. Just a notice that certain elements of this presentation have been redacted. Firstly, on your main Rakuten dashboard, navigate to reports, and that will bring up the two report options. So in reports, there will be preset reports that you can utilize. So if you toggle on choose report, the blue box on the top image, you can select the sales and activity report, which will be the main report that I envision you will use, and is certainly one of the most useful reports that you can access through Rakuten. You can set the date filters, and then in the view report, you can quickly view the report. If you click on the toggle, you can also export it. If you see there's a filter, you can filter by publisher or add different filters. And you can also add or remove columns. Just a little tip, if you say, for example, want to export a report to create a pivot table in Excel, and you want to split all the data by days, individual days, then in the add remove columns, you can add a column for date. And then what it will do is, rather than Rakuten giving you just a consolidated 30-day view or just a consolidated view, you'll then be able to split out the report by individual days, which is helpful if you want to build or create certain reports in Excel. So for custom reports, you can actually click on the build a new report option, which has the plus in the gray box. And then you can use the add remove columns, and there are loads of different options that you can use. Rakuten are quite good in giving you loads of different data points that you can pull into a report. So my advice would be just to have a play around with that. If you're really new to Rakuten, then I'd stick to just the default reporting that they've already got set up for you. But over time, as you get more comfortable with things, you can then start to create custom reports as per your needs. So automated reporting, so you could have, say, the sales activity report emailed to your inbox at a particular time. As you can see here, on the right-hand side, there's a cog for manage report. And you can see in this example, it says on schedule. That's because the report's already been scheduled at a certain time. But you can basically click on schedule, and then you can have the report emailed to you. Just saves you having to go to Rakuten and pull it every day. So the report will just be delivered straight into your inbox. So executive reports, again, are like a custom reporting option that Rakuten have, but it does default, as you can see, it's comparing year on year here for this particular client. So what you can do is you can change the date range. You can change, you typically just want to have transaction date. There's different options to view the report, and there's a statistics overview, so you can show or hide all, and you can toggle the little red box on your right hand side on year over year. You can change that as well. And executive reports just give you another way just to view certain data quite easily and quickly. So that's all on reporting for Rakuten. I'd appreciate if you could leave a like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions.